Real estate undertakings. So in law in general, and specifically in real estate law, a lot of things happen behind the scenes. Lawyers are doing this and that to make sure that your transaction goes through smoothly, and they don't always explain all the minutiae because it's just part of what we do, part of our job that really is beyond the client's control. One of these things is a real estate undertaking. An undertaking is a lawyer's personal promise to do something. It is, for instance, we will undertake to a buyer's lawyer, as a seller's lawyer, that we're undertaking to discharge the mortgage. So we're making a personal promise to make sure that mortgage is removed. If the mortgage is not removed, then the lawyer is going to have a personal obligation to have the mortgage removed, whether it means paying it out if they fail to pay it out, or just fighting to get a discharge from the lender, making sure it's off the title to the property. Undertakings can involve any kind of things. It could be about providing funds the next day, about getting estoppel certificates, proving insurance, any kind of things. It's just a personal promise. And a personal promise is often made on behalf of your client, meaning that we're doing things to advance our client's cause. Now, there are restrictions on undertakings. Why? Because things that are outside of our control, we should never give an undertaking for. So for instance, if a seller's lawyer says, hey, will you undertake to provide the funds? I can't do that unless I have the funds in my trust account. I can give an undertaking that I promise to give the funds as soon as I get them from my client. That is okay, but it's not really helpful to the other lawyer. Undertakings are a great tool to make real estate work. It makes sure that when funds go over to pay for a home, that the mortgage is going to be removed, that there's no debts on the property, because things don't happen simultaneously. There's like a process, and it can take months for a mortgage to get removed. There's lots of things where it's important for a lawyer to understand the nature of undertakings, to give them appropriately, and also not to ask for an inappropriate undertaking. That's an undertaking in general. If you have situations where we might have to delay things, if not for something else, perhaps an undertaking is a way that we can solve it. Talk to your lawyer. They'll be able to help you out to understand things better, and that's what we're here for.